Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix the system cannot find the file specified error in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, right click on Start menu, then click on Device Manager, then select here Disk Drivers, right click on this, click on Update Driver. After updating, close this window, go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes to allow, then type here sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. Wait for 100%. After complete 100%, close this window. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.